You are going to learn how to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero. So let's get started. First, visit the official Xero website and enter your login credentials. After logging in, go to the navigation bar and here select Business. In the drop-down menu, click Bills to Pay and click New Credit Note from the drop-down menu. Now, what you have to do is you have to fill in the credit note details. For enter the sender's name. In currency section, click the currency drop-down to select the desired currency. In the item section, click the item field to enter an item. Now in the description, add details about the item and add a new line. For this, click add a new line to insert additional entries if needed. Now click the approve button. It will appear as green in the bottom right to finalize the credit note. This will link the credit note to the relevant bill and update your accounts accordingly. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.